guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's vlog, we are here in Shore 2 Residences again. And then, I'll show you the gym. And then, for today's vlog also, meron mga bagong memo si Shore 2 Residences. So, let's find it out kung ano yung mga memos na yun.
Wala pa? Nililinis pa lang? Locker? May ano ba? May sauna? May sauna? Wala? Locker lang. Thank you. Naglilinis pa sila. What is new in Shore 2 Residences? If you're a unit owner, I'm pretty sure you received an email from admin office regarding the circular number 84. So, ano po ba yung circular number 84? So, we will discuss circular number 84, replacement to digital lock. Unit owners who wish to convert the existing manual lock to digital lock may do so. Syempre po, you need to follow guidelines. For specifications, stainless digital lock set, black portion should only be on the number screen with an override key. Color, silver stainless steel, dimension, length 306 mm, width 78 mm. For your reference, ito po yung sample niya, and then kailangan po natin mag-secure ng work permit kung magpapalagay po tayo niyan. The digital lock set is care of the unit owner. So, ibig sabihin po, si unit owner po ang magbabayad kung gusto niya pong magpa-install ng ganitong lock set. Yung pangalawa naman po, installation of additional deadbolt lock. Unit owners who wish to install additional deadbolt lock with the existing manual lock may do so. So, yung deadbolt lock po natin, may specification din siya. Single or double cylinder deadbolt. Tapos yung color, syempre po, silver din or stainless steel. And yung diameter niya po is 50.8 mm. So, ganun din po, we need to secure work permit para po ma-approve po muna nila bago natin yun ikabit. Ito po yung sample ng lock na sinasabi natin. So, dalawa po yan. So, double lock na po kayo dyan. Mas-secure ka po dyan. Kasi po yung existing natin ngayon sa Shore 2, yung nasa baba lang ang meron. Yung taas, wala. Ayan po. So, narinig ko po sa Shore Residences, magkakaroon sila doon ng access card. So, RFID na sila doon. So, susunod para mas secure sila doon. So, ayun lang po for today yung sa circular. Ayan. So, ito po. Tower 3. Ayan, ma'am. So, paglabas ng elevator, ayan. Ayan, paglabas ng elevator, yan, di ba? Ito yung garbage room. Tapos, ito yung isang unit. Tapos, ito yung next. So, wall siya. Wall yung nasa harapan mo. Tapos, ito, fire exit to, ma'am. Fire exit. And guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!